Ivanka Trump seemed ready for spring as she stepped on stage for a press conference in Lima, Peru, donning a beige jacket with an eye-catching bird pattern. The first daughter, 36, landed in Peru earlier this week for the Summit of the Americas and on Friday announced the launch of a new program, which she described on her Instagram story as being focused on empowering women in Latin America. During the press conference, Ivanka took the stage along with the acting Secretary of State John Sullivan, dressed in a nude jacket with a pattern featuring green birds standing on branches among some foliage. She paired the jacket, which is thought to have been made by a local designer, with a cream tweed $1,850 bronze shower dress, along with a simple pair of navy blue pumps. Ivanka kept the rest of her outfit simple, sticking to a wavy blowout with a middle part and her trademark smoky eye and nude lips. In her remarks, she explained the program, which is in partnership with the State Department, aims to provide women in Latin America with access to capital, jobs, and opportunities to prosper. The first daughter is currently in Lima as part of the U.S. delegation at the Summit of the Americas after President Donald Trump canceled his trip to the conference. Her announcement on Friday took place as part of the Business Summit of the Americas, on the sidelines of the Summit of the Americas. She has made several appearances during her visit, which will extend into the weekend since the summit is scheduled to take place on Friday and Saturday. Ivanka has taken care to document her trip on her Instagram story and posted 3 short videos on Friday also document the launch of the Women's Empowerment Initiative. She has also shared several tweets in Spanish about the various events she has attended throughout her visit, after posting a video of herself on her Instagram story announcing her arrival in Lima, which she began with "Buenos dias." On Thursday evening, the first daughter stepped out for the first night of sightseeing of her trip to Peru, wearing a $3,519 red Calvin Klein ball gown. She flaunted her glamorous ensemble, complete with a pair of baby pink $1,495 Calvin Klein high heels, on her Instagram story Thursday evening. Arriving at Huancavelica, the 36-year-old wrote in a glitzy cursive script as she stepped out on the adobe and clay pyramid in central Lima. Huancavelica is in the Miraflores district of the city and once served as a ceremonial and administrative center for Lima between the years 200 and 700 AD. After visiting the cultural site, Ivanka went to a dinner for the Business Summit of the Americas, also known as the CEO Summit of the Americas. At dinner, she posted a series of photos to her Instagram with many of the other invitees to the conference. Dinner at the historic Huancavelica with President Vizcarra, IDB President Moreno, U.S. Cabinet Secretaries and CEOs, culminating a great first day at the CEO Summit of the Americas in Lima, she wrote. The evening came after a busy day of touring businesses throughout Peru's capital. Earlier in the afternoon, she stopped by a quinoa factory, where she learned about the production of the popular American health food. She also shared a number of snaps of this to her Instagram story, in which she can be seen following workers around in a white lab coat. Now firsthand seeing the quinoa production process, she wrote alongside a photo of herself with a palmful of the grain. Before the visit, she toured the Lima Stock Exchange again dressed to impress. Ivanka wore a $1,693 navy blue and yellow floral print silk checkered shirt dress featuring pearl buttons by Al Jazeera, which she paired with navy blue ankle strap stilettos. Her long blonde hair was parted in the middle and straightened for her day of meetings, and she was sporting a smoky brown eye and glossy lips. On Thursday, and she excitedly took to Instagram stories to document the beginning of her trip, saying in one clip, "Buenos dias. I am here in Lima, Peru, for the Summit of the Americas conference, and I am really excited about my first stop, which is the Lima Stock Exchange, where I am going to meet with some incredible women business leaders from right here in Peru." She was filmed in the back seat of a car with her seatbelt strapped across her chest as she animatedly spoke about the day ahead of her. Ivanka went on to share a video of herself walking through the Lima Stock Exchange with CEO Francis Tenning, as well as a photo of herself sitting down during a roundtable discussion. Meeting with women business leaders based in Lima, she captioned the image,